The Trinamool Congress has taken up Siddhi Naik's case. The Chief Minister in the recent assembly session had said that the case was re-investigated and closed. However, the questions that had arisen earlier have not been answered. The girl's parents in a section of Civic Society had said, a young girl from Nashnala, Siddhi Naik, was found dead in semi-naked condition at Kalangud beach. The death still remains a mystery. However, now New Kids on the Block, the TMC, has delved into the controversy. It attacked the government on Siddhi's case and lack of lawlessness. Listen to its MP, Mahua Moitra.
Most striking, I would say, striking things about Goa, at least growing up, and certainly when I was a young girl, was that it's a very egalitarian society. Goa is safe. You can walk on the beach at night. These were things growing up for Goa. Today, when we went to the house of Sandeep Naik, whose daughter Siddhi was found on the beach in Kalankute, unclothed, apparently dead by drowning. But while the post-mortem says death by drowning, the investigation has not yet been carried out. The father of Siddhi Naik told us that I can't bring my daughter back, but there are 5 rapes in Goa every month. And I don't want any parent to suffer the way I have. So law and order in Goa has reached an absolute abysmal bottom. We are here in Goa and we are going to do it. And that's the end of that. That is why we are here. We are here for Siddhi Naik. We are here for every single woman who cannot walk on the streets.
Earlier in the day, TMC leaders visited Siddhi Naik's residence at Nashnala. Moitra spoke to Siddhi's father, Sandeep Naik. TMC promised him to take up the issue before the governor and give them justice.
She had indeed drowned. Then there would have been swelling in the body. There would have been sand inside. The post-mortem report clearly says that the sand is only in the, just at the, in the throat and in the trachea. Nothing in the stomach. Stomach is clear. There is no swelling on the body. There are bruises on the legs near the ankles, and it is not completely consistent. And the police are saying that it's a case of suicide. Now, what the father says is this. He says you can say that death is by drowning. That's only what a post-mortem can say. A post-mortem can't tell you if it's murder or suicide. Whereas the police investigation should conclude that what led to the death, which the police investigation has not done. They've closed the investigation, and the Goa police seem to be incapable of doing a proper investigation into this. They have not followed standard operating procedure, and he's, we agree with everything that he said, and he seems to think that we cannot get justice out of this government because everybody is hand in glove in trying to cover this up. And because there was a big social outcry is even why they filed an FIR. Initially, they were not even willing to take the case up. So I think this is something that we really need to help him do in Delhi and in the highest levels of government.
Sham Chari and Sandeep Kamulkar for Goa 365 from Panjim and Mapsa.